Power monitoring, solving power quality problems. Power monitoring is a crucial part of avoiding power quality problems. A power interruption in a production line, even a momentary lapse, can lead to equipment failure. Thanks to modern power monitoring tools, you can catch those problems before they become catastrophic. Why is power monitoring important? Power monitoring is important because some automated equipment is extremely sensitive to power quality issues that can cause equipment to run inefficiently, malfunction, or fail. Even a small disruption can impact an entire system. This is less true of older electromechanical equipment. Unexpected sags or surges in voltage can lead to equipment overheating, component failure, automatic resets, data errors, corrupted software, and more. With power monitoring systems in place, you can understand when, why, and how any issues occur. Once power quality issues are detected, most can be resolved in a few steps. To get to the root of a problem, gather as much power monitoring information as you can. Here are a few questions to keep in mind while performing power monitoring on the production line. Has anything changed recently? Did any new machinery get installed? Has any equipment been removed? Then, get set up for power quality measurements. A power quality analyzer, also known as a power monitoring tool, offers a wide range of measurements, making it easier to find problems quickly. Here are some key tips for using a power monitoring tool. Install the power quality analyzer before switching the breaker back on. Once installed, be sure to double-check all the connections. Check to be sure while considering. Voltage leads are connected to the right phases. Current probes are connected to the right phases. Probes are oriented correctly. Because many power quality events happen on the user's side of the meter, it makes sense to take a proactive approach and learn about common symptoms and effects of different power quality events. For example, consider power factor. It's an expression of energy efficiency. A higher power factor percentage indicates more efficient power usage, and a lower percentage indicates less efficient power usage. A low power factor essentially means that you're paying for power you aren't using. This is an ideal problem to use power monitoring to catch. On top of that, many utilities charge their customers fees for having poor power factor. A power factor below 85% is wasteful and can indicate loading problems. Fortunately, this can be relatively easy to fix. Knowing the most common power quality symptoms as well as how to troubleshoot them is an important first step in solving your power quality issues. Fluke Reliability offers power monitoring solutions that help keep your facility running smoothly.